Hello everyone, welcome to this session of Instagram marketing. In today's video, I'm going to tell you that how you can advertise on Instagram. After Facebook, it's the biggest platform to advertise your products, your businesses, and your services as well. So for Instagram marketing, you have to open your Facebook account as I've opened right here. You have to click on create option, and click on ads. As Instagram is a part of Facebook itself, so it is to be made from Facebook Ads Manager account. After so many days, Facebook has changed its Ads Manager lookout. Its layout has been changed, but it's very much easy to go with the things. Let us start. Let's get started with how to create advertisements for Instagram. We have seen ads on Instagram stories, Instagram feeds, etc. So this is how sometimes it will look when you will open your first ads manager in Facebook. Choose a campaign objective. Means if you want to create that ad, what is your objective? You want to create brand awareness, you want to reach with large number of people, you want to generate traffic, you want to generate engagements, means people's interaction with your site, you want to install the applications, you want to people to see your videos. Lead generation means you want people to sign up for their forms, you want the people to message you. Conversions means sales, catalog sales, and store traffic. Now we'll select over here, suppose traffic. Means I want to bring more people in my site. Traffic. Name your campaign is optional. You can even name your campaign. I'm keeping it as like this. Then click on continue. See here, a new campaign is being created. So let's get started. How to create campaign. Very first section is you have to give it a campaign name. It's an optional part you can give or you can't give. Let it be as it is. Especially add categories. If it is special category social issues, electronic or politics, if it is there, you can select it or you just leave it as it is. Then it is buying type is auction, campaign objective is traffic. You can show more results. It is option. Here you don't have to do anything. Campaign budget optimization. Here you don't have to do anything. Then click on next. Then here is the most important stuff. New ad set. It is ad set name is new ad set. You can change it. Your traffic is you want to take people to your website. So website is being selected. You can select app if you have an app. Messages you can select WhatsApp, anything. But now it is traffic. It is website. Dynamic creative, you can turn it off itself. No need of dynamic creating. The daily budget you can set rupees 800 is being set by default. I will select it suppose 200 rupees daily INR. Start date will be today's 18/9/2020. Start date will be here and it is from this timing 12:23, which is my time in my clock. You can even change the start date as per your requirements. Then end, you can select an end there also, or you can or it is an optional, because when you're going to pay for it, you will pay for 5 days, 10 days. You're going to pay for it and it will automatically stop, or you can stop it forcefully also. So you can select an end date as well. Suppose here I selected let it be 22 is the end date. Okay. Then you have to create new audience, use saved audience. If you have an audience, you have to create a new audience over here. Audience means the people who are going to see your ads. Suppose create a new custom audience, look out. Use existing audience you don't have. Locations you have to add. See, I am going to create a new audience means people who will be seeing my ads. I will click on location, edit people living in recently in this location. Select, suppose it is my hometown, Asansol, West Bengal, India. Means the ad will be shown in displays only. The ad will be shown in displays only. Age, you can select that the age group of people who are going to see these ads. You can select this age group according to your needs. Gender, you can select. Detailed targeting demographic interest and behaviors. It is very important. Suppose if you have a laptop shop, if you're selling laptop, you will add demographics as laptops. See, it you're going to get recommendations. Laptop. You are selling laptops. So the people who are looking for laptops, they're going to see your ads. So it is very important part. You can save this audience. Audience is being same or audience name is my name. You can change as per your requirements. Audience is select. Then you can select the cost here placements. After selecting this audience, placements, automatic placements, it is recommended. You will going to select manual placements. Where do you want to show your ads? Facebook, audience network, Instagram, Messenger. I will just uncheck these three things. Means your ads will be only seen on Instagram and nowhere else. Only on Instagram. See, Instagram is selected. Instagram feed, this one is unselected. You just select this thing Instagram. All these required sections will automatically be selected. See, I'm selecting Instagram feed, it will look like this. I'm selecting Instagram Explorer, it is going to look like this. So this is the thing in which your ads will be shown. Instagram stories. Let us check it out how it will be seen and see. You have seen most probably this sort of stories in Instagram as well, that learn more, swipe up, this sort of stories. Then it is in stream, it is not there. So the main thing is that you have to select over here Instagram, and by selecting Instagram, the required fields will automatically be selected. So now you come down, optimize for ads delivery. It's a link clicks, let it be link clicks. Cost control, you can select let it be, it's optional. Then you can select on show more options. What are the things? When you are charged, when there is an impression, when there is a click, then only you are being charged. Delivery type is standard. Click on next. This part is finished. See, new ad set is finished. Now it is new ad. Now it is new ad. You have to create your ad. Means you have to give pictures, you have to create videos that will actually be shown to the people. First of all, to create an ad, remember one thing, it is required to select a Facebook page must be there of your ad. Instagram account, you select that page. Okay, Facebook page must be there. Without Facebook page, you can't. You can't display any ads on Facebook without selecting a page. Okay, then you have to create an ad setup, single image or video. You can select careless, means two or more discoverable images, or you can show a collection to the people. It is the format of the ad. I will select single image or video. This full screen mobile experience, add an Insta experience, add a playable source file. You can add a playable source file, as also you can add an instant experience too. Add creative, add media, add image. I want to select an image ad. I want to show the people. So suppose it is this. I have already uploaded. You can select over here, upload, and you can upload from your computer. But for the time being, I have already uploaded. So I'm going to select this thing. It is next. Square, apply. So something it will be looking like this. See, here we're going to see a preview of that how ads will be looking. Now let us come down. It is saving here. It takes some time to get loaded, because if it will not load, it will be not being displayed. It will take some time to get loaded. So you can add primary text. You can add primary text over here. Primary text means, suppose if I write over here visit suppose visit my store. Visit my store. See, it is hanging a little bit because display is a little bit it will hang, because at the same time it is previewing also, no? So it will hang. Destination ad is your website URL you have to give over here. So I'm there at this page, www. I have a website dot. See, this is the website I have given. URL I have given, and I have written visit my stores. See, if you are a user of Instagram, you could have seen this sort of ads. Visit my store, I've written, it will be shown over here. Visit my store. Wait, it's loading. Let it load. I will show you that how it will be there in your website. See, visit my store, which I've written over here. If you click on learn more, this website will open. That is www.asansolmedicalhub.com will be opened. You have already seen this sort of ads in Instagram. Written sponsored. This is only known as ads in Facebook, in Instagram. This is all about Instagram marketing. Call to action is learn more button. Okay, you can you can change it as per your needs. Then you can select conversus pixel we don't have right now. So you will click on publish. The moment you click on publish, you have to pay the required amount of fees, and your ads will be live on Instagram. This is all about Instagram marketing, that how we have proceeded and how we have shown ads in stories and on feed in Instagram. I hope that you have liked this video. If you like this video, please do share this video with your friends, with your near ones who want to learn about Instagram marketing. And if you have any doubts in this video, text me back over here so that I can help you. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, then comment me, or if you're seeing this video on Instagram, then you can directly contact me and follow me. I will certainly clear all your doubts. Thank you. Have a great day.